Hey guys, Hoofty here with 10mileTools. Real quick, just wanted to share some big news coming up in the shop. As you can see, I just did a little rearranging, actually quite a bit of rearranging. Moved pretty much everything on this half of the shop. And the reason for that is I've decided it's time to get rid of the Shapeoko. It's a 3XXL. It's been a fantastic machine, served me well, paid itself off many times over. And the only reason I'm getting rid of it is I just got in the Shapeoko 5 Pro 4x4. As you can see, massive size difference here. I can't wait to get it all together, but first I got to get this machine out of here, build a new table, and then I'm gonna open this. I want to open it so bad, but I got to make sure I have room for it first. So stay tuned. There's gonna be more to come. You're gonna see the 5 Pro and all the awesomeness that's gonna come out of it. Thanks guys. Bye.